You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register.
If I had the power, I would want to dissolve those borders.
Mzee, let me say on behalf of the people and government of Kenya, we very sincerely appreciate your undertaking this state visit as a way of consolidating the friendship and the relationship between our two countries. We are building on our already existing solid foundation between our two countries in many areas of diplomacy, of trade, of investment, people-to-people relations. And I very want to say sincerely that we don't take your coming to Kenya for granted.
Africa has lost a lot of time. It's now more than 60 years since independence, and Africa still has a lot of problems. And this is because of what I mentioned to you, the philosophical, strategic, and ideological mistakes which were made by the African leaders. They could not accurately define the historical mission. What is the historical mission at independence? The only one they got right was the liberation. That one they got it correct. That's why OAU was useful that time. But after that, they didn't know what to do.